What if I told you that you could grow a faceless YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers without showing your face, expensive gear, or even your voice? And the best part? You can start earning money with affiliate marketing. Even as a beginner, imagine being able to create content that resonates with people all over the world, all from the comfort of your own home. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional videographer. All you need is a bit of creativity, some dedication, and the right strategies. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of faceless YouTube channels. We'll explore the different types of content you can create, from tutorials and reviews to animations and listicles. You'll learn how to find your niche, create engaging content, and optimize your videos for maximum reach. We'll also cover the tools and resources you'll need to get started, many of which are free or very affordable. But that's not all. We'll also share some insider tips and tricks that successful YouTubers use to grow their channels quickly. You'll discover how to leverage social media to promote your videos, how to collaborate with other creators, and how to engage with your audience to build a loyal community. Plus, we'll show you how to monetize your channel through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit and build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face, keep watching. This could be the start of an exciting new journey for you. Now let's get started and unlock the secrets to growing a faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're interested in tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or even animated storytelling, there's a place for you on YouTube. And with the right approach, you can reach thousands, even millions of viewers and start earning money doing what you love. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's dive in. Right now, you're probably thinking, my videos get no views, no subscribers, and definitely no money. But what if I showed you a proven system that works, even if you're starting from scratch? First, pick a niche that doesn't require your face. Here are 3 hot niches that work in 2024 AI tools and tech reviews. Make money online tutorials, self-improvement, and motivation. Forget about complicated editing. Use these tools to make videos in minutes. CapCut, a free mobile editor, and InVideo, an AI video maker. Now here's how you make money without millions of views. Promote clickbank products like AI Profit Hub, Keto Diet Cookbook, and Digital 24 winners. YouTube's algorithm loves these three things: high CTR thumbnails, watch time, and keywords. If you're serious about growing a faceless YouTube channel and making money with affiliate marketing, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment Faceless below. I'll DM you my exact affiliate link strategy. The biggest mistake beginners make? Picking the wrong niche. If you want fast growth and affiliate sales, you need a niche that doesn't require your face and has high affiliate payouts. Now here's the biggest secret: you don't need to edit videos for hours. With AI tools like in video, you can create high-quality, faceless videos in minutes. Here's how. Scripting: turn script into video, add voiceover. Imagine you have a brilliant idea for a video, but the thought of spending countless hours editing and perfecting it seems daunting. This is where AI tools come to the rescue. With platforms like InVideo, the process of video creation is not only simplified, but also significantly accelerated. Let's dive deeper into how you can leverage these tools to produce professional-grade videos without breaking a sweat. First, it all starts with scripting. A well-crafted script is the backbone of any great video. InVideo provides intuitive tools that help you draft your script effortlessly. You can either write your own script or use the platform's AI-powered suggestions to enhance your content. This feature ensures that your message is clear, concise, and engaging. Once your script is ready, the next step is to turn it into a video. InVideo's AI technology can automatically generate video scenes based on your script. This means you don't have to manually search for images, videos, or animations to match your content. The AI does the heavy lifting for you, selecting the most relevant media to bring your script to life. You can, of course, customize these selections to better fit your vision. Adding a voiceover is another crucial aspect of video creation. InVideo offers a variety of voiceover options, including AI-generated voices that sound remarkably natural. You can choose from different accents, tones, and languages to match the style and audience of your video. If you prefer, you can also record your own voiceover directly within the platform. This flexibility allows you to create a more personalized and authentic video experience. But the magic doesn't stop there. InVideo also provides a range of editing tools that are both powerful and user-friendly. You can trim clips, add transitions, insert text overlays, and apply filters with just a few clicks. The platform's AI can even suggest edits to improve the overall flow and quality of your video. This means you can achieve a polished, professional look without needing advanced editing skills. In summary, AI tools like InVideo are revolutionizing the way we create videos. They make the process faster, easier, and more accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or a complete beginner, you can produce high-quality, engaging videos in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. Embrace the power of AI and transform your video creation process today. Now the money-making part. Here's how to promote affiliate products without being pushy. Place links in description. Use soft pitch in videos. Create top 5 comparison videos. Want 1,000 subscribers in 30 days? Follow these algorithm secrets. Steal viral thumbnails, keyword research, post consistently. If you're serious about growing a faceless YouTube channel and earning passive income, here's what to do next. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment Faceless below. I'll send you my exact affiliate link strategy. Now let me break it down for you. Growing a faceless YouTube channel is not just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. It requires a strategic approach, consistency, and a bit of insider knowledge. By smashing that like button, you're not only showing your support, but also helping the algorithm recognize the value of this content. This simple action can significantly boost the visibility of the video, making it easier for others to find and benefit from the information shared here. Subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications ensures that you never miss out on any new content. This is crucial because the world of YouTube is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest tips, tricks, and strategies can give you a competitive edge. When you subscribe, you become part of a community that is dedicated to mutual growth and success. You'll be the first to know about new videos, live streams, and exclusive content that can help you on your journey to building a successful, faceless YouTube channel. Commenting Faceless below is more than just a simple interaction. It's a commitment to taking the next step in your YouTube journey. When you comment, I'll send you my exact affiliate link strategy, which is a game changer for anyone looking to monetize their channel effectively. This strategy has been tried and tested, and it's designed to help you maximize your earnings with minimal effort. By leveraging affiliate links, you can create a steady stream of passive income that grows as your channel grows. So, to recap, smash the like button to support the channel and boost the video's visibility. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest content and become part of a thriving community. Comment Faceless below to receive my exclusive affiliate link strategy and take your YouTube channel to the next level. These simple actions can set you on the path to success, helping you grow your channel, increase your earnings, and achieve your goals. Remember, the journey to building a successful, faceless YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, patience, and the right strategies. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. So, what are you waiting for? Take action now and start your journey towards creating a profitable, faceless YouTube channel today.